Hi guys, welcome to the Pep Coding. Today we will solve this question, pattern 3. So in this pattern, we have given a number n. We need to print our pattern in this format. Let's see this format. So this is our output format. Here we can see at each row there are some spaces printed first, then the stars. In the second row there are 3 spaces, 2 stars. In the third row there are 2 spaces, 3 stars. In the fourth row there are 1 space, 4 star. So let's see, these are the spaces, these are the stars. There are number of rows 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now for 1 the spaces are 4, stars are 1. For 2 the spaces are 3, stars are 2. For 3 the spaces are 2, stars are 3. For 4 spaces 1, star 4. For fifth row space is 0, star is 5. So we can see here at each row we need to print the spaces first, then the star. So for printing spaces and stars we need to control the values of spaces and st to print them. For example, we need to print all the rows. So the row will start from 1 go till n. Now first we need to print the spaces. Now for spaces we will use a for loop. Let's say start from 1 and go till the spaces. Here we will print the spaces. After printing all the spaces in each row, we will print the stars. So star will be start from 1 go till value of stars j plus plus. Here we will print stars. Now after printing the spaces and star at each line, we will move to the next line. So here this for loop will print the number of spaces. This for loop will print the number of stars, and the outer for loop will print the number of lines. Here what will be the value of spaces and stars? So this is the pattern when n is equal to 5. Here we can see when n is equal to 5 the spaces need to be printed as 4. So this is n minus 1 and the stars start from 1. Now if we see this code, let's dry run this code to see the pattern. Now let's say n is equal to 4. I start from 1 first. The spaces will be n minus 1, that is 3. Stars are 1. Now first it will print 3 spaces. 3 spaces 1, 2, 3. Then it will print 1 star by this for loop. Here the star. Now we need to change these values for the next row. So for this we will increase the value of stars and decrease the value of spaces by 1, so that for the next iteration the value will be 2 for the spaces, the value for the st, that is stars, will be 2. So here this for loop will print number of spaces, that is 2, then this for loop will print number of stars. Now again star will be increased by 1 and spaces will be decreased by 1. So this is 1. Now the value of I was 1, then 2, then 3. Here it will print 1 space, then 3 stars. Now again st increased by 1. This is the value when I is equal to 4 and the spaces will be 0. Spaces are 0, so the condition was j is initialized by 1. J should be less than or equal to spaces. Here the spaces are 0. So this for loop will not work. So this will print nothing because this for loop will not work. Here for printing the spaces, stars, the value of star is 4. So at the last line it will print 4 stars. So this is the pattern when the value of n is 4. Hope you understand the concept. Let's code this. First we need to take the input. Now we need to initialize the number of spaces and the number of stars. So for the spaces, sp will be n minus 1 and the stars will start from 1. Now we need to print all the rows. So I is equal to 1, I is less than equal to n, I plus plus, this will print n rows. Now first we need to print spaces. Here printing spaces, we will use for loop start from 1, go till the value of spaces, and inside this for loop we will print the spaces. Now we need to print stars. Now for stars, j will start from 1, j will go up to value of stars j plus plus. Now inside this we will print stars. Now after printing the stars, we will move to the next line. After moving to the next line, we need to change the values of spaces and the stars. So the value of space will be decreased by 1 and value of star will be increased by 1. So this is the code. Let's run this. So this code is accepting the output. So let's submit this. So our code is successfully submitted. Hope you like the video. Please share the video and subscribe the channel. Thank you.